Leaked U.S. security documents reveal that Taiwan's air defenses might not be effective against Chinese missile strikes. That's according to a report in the Washington Post. The report says that Taiwanese officials are unsure whether their air and missile defenses can accurately detect missile launches from China. Documents also show that a little more than half of the country's aircraft can operate during wartime, and that moving them to safety would take at least a week. Taiwan's defense ministry has responded to the report. It says that it welcomes outside criticism, but is confident in its defense capabilities. For more on Taiwan's missile defense capabilities, our reporter Jaime Ocon spoke to Xu Tianran, a defense analyst with the Open Nuclear Network based in Vienna.
How effective is Taiwan's air and missile defense? And can it defend against a Chinese missile strike if a conflict were to happen?
Yeah, I think the answer is, in general, I would say yes, but there are a lot of uncertainties. And when we are talking about missile strike, there are mainly two kinds of strikes. One is the ballistic missile strike, which comes very fast. The time is very short. The second is lower, more like subsonic cruise missiles. They fly pretty low, at pretty low altitude, and they fly low speed subsonic. So regarding the first threat or challenge, I think Taiwan is doing the best it can. I'm not saying that it can intercept all the missiles, or even I'm not even saying they can intercept 60% of the incoming missiles, but they've already have dedicated missile interceptors built both domestically and imported from the US. And we all know that missile defense is very tricky, very difficult.
And what about Taiwan's Air Force? Can Taiwan protect its aircraft from a potential strike from China?
Yes, force preservation is the first step in every major conflict that's facing Taiwan. What Taiwan military would do is force preservation to take the first several waves of attack. So what they've been doing is to have this aircraft take off and land at the airstrips in major war exercises. But I think they can do more of that. They can also try to let their aircraft operate on civilian airfields, and also on, as I said before, on the airstrips, even 60% or 70% of the aircraft being taken out, and the 30% or 40% keep operating throughout the conflict, then that would also be a significant challenge. They can help to keep the airspace contested.